Deepak E. This is my register number. I'm ECEA second year. I'm going to explain super heterodyne receiver. The problems of the TRF receiver are overcome in this receiver. The super heterodyne receiver converts all incoming OR frequencies to a fixed lower frequency called intermediate frequency IF. This IF is then amplified and detected to get the original signal. The below figure shows the block diagram of an super heterodyne receiver. This is the block diagram. The next heading is RF amplifier. The antenna resists all the frequency signals and gives it to a RF amplifier. The RF stage amplifies the signal in the required range of frequencies, thus it provides initial gain and selectivity. Mixed and local oscillator. The output of RF amplifier given to the mixer stage. The local stage oscillator output is also applied to the mixer. Let us assume the local stage oscillator frequency is F0 and signal frequency is Fs. The signal frequency Fs and local stage oscillator frequency F0 are mixed in such a way that frequency difference F0 minus Fs is produced at the output of the mixer. This difference F0 minus Fs is called intermediate frequency IF. The signal at this IF intermediate frequency contains the same modulation as the incoming signal. Next is IF amplifier. The IF is applied by one or more IF amplifier stages and given to the detector. Most of the gain and selectivity is provided by these IF amplifiers. Normally IF is fixed for the AM receivers. To select a particular station, the local oscillator frequency F0 is changed in such a way that the frequency Fs of the station and F0 has the difference equal to the IF. Thus the whatever is station being tuned, the IF is fixed. Thus the IF amplifiers and detector operate at the signal frequency such that hence the bandwidth of the IF amplifier is relatively narrow. Next is automatic gain control. As you can see in the block diagram, there is a part of line which is fed back to the RF amplifier. Here we mentioned that a part of output is taken from the detector and it is applied to RF amplifier, mixer and IF amplifiers for gain control. This is called automatic gain control or AGC. This AGC maintains the constant output voltage level over a wide range of RF input signal levels. Next, the detector. The detector converts the AM signal at IF to original modulating signal. The diode detector is most commonly used for AM signals. The output of detector is low power audio or modulating signal. As we mentioned earlier, next part is audio and power amplifier. As we mentioned earlier that the detector converts a signal into a very low peak modulating signal. Hence it needs modification. Its amplification must be needed. So audio power amplifiers normally have one or more stages. The signal is amplified and given to speaker. Next is advantages of super heterodyne receiver. The selectivity of this receiver is better since its IF amplifiers are narrow band and they operate only at IF intermediate frequency. The design of intermediate frequency IF amplifiers is relatively simple since they operate only at intermediate frequency. Thank you, sir.